Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle comes in red metallic paint with chrome alloy rims and a chrome front grille. We also have our rear privacy tint, black leather heated interior seating, as well as all-wheel drive. Now moving on to the interior of the Equinox, I'll walk you through a few of the driver's features, starting off with our door panel. We have our chrome door handle, lock and unlock buttons. Below we have our close handle, rear window lock, power window control for front and rear, and our power mirror adjustment with joystick, speaker underneath, as well as storage, memory seat adjustment. And on the side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and power lumbar support adjustment, our gauge cluster. Right side of the steering wheel we have our radio controls, Chevy bow tie in the middle, and off to the left we have our front collision alert, lane departure warning, and cruise control. The steering wheel is wrapped in black leather. A radio with 6 station presets, controls to the radio underneath, our hazards, child locks, and lock and unlock button, dual zone climate control with heated seats, our CD player, 12-volt charging port and storage, gear select stock, our 2 cup holders, traction control, storage in front of our padded leather center console lid finished in red stitching. Inside we'll find a removable tray, red insert at the bottom, USB and USB-C, as well as a 12-volt charging port in the center console, so plenty of options for charging. The front seats are also featured in patent black leather with red stitching and perforated leather in the lower portion. On our rear view mirror we have our OnStar controls. Above that we have our 3 garage door openers, dome lights and dome light settings, sunroof and moonroof controls, and power liftgate controls, and a sunroof and moonroof overhead. Back onto the exterior of the Equinox, we can take a closer look at our alloy chrome rims with Chevrolet bow tie center caps. We also have our chrome mirror caps and chrome door handles, that rear privacy tint, and around to the back we have our LTZ badging, as well as our liftgate, power activated. Inside we have plenty of storage room with the rear seats fully reclined, as well as a storage shelf or privacy shelf, storage off to the side, as well as a speaker off to the right, and 12-volt charging port off to the left. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Equinox, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which features the chrome door handle, window switch, close handle, storage, and speaker. Back of the front seats we have mesh magazine holders, and back of the center console we have a 12-volt charging port. The rear seats are a 60-40 split bench, also featuring our black patent leather, red stitching, and perforated leather. We also have our fold-down center seat, which features 2 cup holders. Thank you for joining me for this video walk-around of the 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.